Si Estong may tanong, maaari bang mahatulan ng plunder ang isang pribadong individual, halimbawa, kontratista o mga kamag-anak, kahit hindi po sila isang opisyal ng gobyerno?
Yes, a private individual can be convicted and can be liable for for plunder. I repeat, a private individual can be convicted and liable for plunder if he participates. Nag-participate siya sa isang public official. Like a co-conspirator, dummy, government associate. Ibig sabihin, a private individual cannot be liable for plunder kung walang public official. Kung dapat may public official na kasabuat niya. Kasi kung siya lang ang nagnakaw ng kaba ng bayan, hindi yan libel o hindi yan plunder. Kasi in plunder, kailangan co-conspirator siya sa isang public official. Kailangan may public official na primary liable, public official, tapos siya, nakipagsabuatan siya, naging dummy siya, naging business associate siya, naging co-conspirator siya. Yan, maging liable siya for plunder. Pero kung wala siyang kasabuat na public official, hindi maging plunder yan. Because in plunder, the main actor of plunder, public official, either elected or appointed. Ang private individual can be liable for plunder kung nakipagsabuatan siya sa public official.